Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting materials and getting the mold shape. Pick a small skull or bone pattern that fits your frame. Once done, mix sand to a slightly damp consistency, about 1/2 cup water per 5 kg, so it holds detail. Make a simple 2-part wooden flask on the board, press the pattern halfway in clay to register orientation, and coat the pattern with release agent. This prevents sticking. You're ready to form the first half of the sand mold now. Now you pack the first half. Tamp sand firmly and evenly so the detail transfers. A consistent density avoids blowouts. Once packed, cut a sprue and thin vents. These let gases escape during casting. Place a riser above the highest point to capture overflow. Carefully lift the pattern to reveal the cavity. Clean loose grains and seal any gaps with fine sand or clay. Then reattach the frame, flip, and repeat for the second half. Align registration keys so both halves match precisely. With both halves aligned, preheat the mold slightly if recommended. This reduces thermal shock. You pour steadily into the sprue, keep motion smooth to avoid turbulence, and allow the cast to cool completely before breaking the sand away. Once exposed, remove gates and flash with files, then sand and finish the skull or bone replica. If you see voids or porosity, make sure to improve venting, increase sand compaction, and adjust moisture. Those 3 fixes solve most defects and improve final detail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.